You call yourself a man, but can you control yourself when no one is watching? Can you stand before Allah when your bed is warm, your desires are loud, and your laziness is stronger than your ego? Because today, we have many males, but very few men, and that is destroying our ummah. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means to be a real Muslim man, not according to culture, but according to Allah and His Messenger, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Most brothers think manhood is about muscles, fashion, cars, and status. But the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam exposed that lie with one sentence. The strong man is not the best wrestler. The strong man is the one who controls himself when he is angry. Real strength is discipline. Real honor is responsibility. Real manhood is obedience to Allah. So today, let's break the illusion. Yes, you were born a male, but manhood is earned. A real man is not the one who looks tough, but the one who lives with taqwa. When temptation calls, he doesn't follow it. When anger rises, he doesn't explode. When hardship strikes, he remains patient. He doesn't hide behind excuses like, "My Iman is in my heart." No, he proves it with action. The streets look exciting. Fast money, fast life, fast fame. But the street will never make you a man. It will only make you a slave to your desires, a slave to people, a slave to shaitan. Islam is what lifts boys into men. The street buries them in their own ego. We want women, but not marriage and its responsibility. We want children, but don't want to be fathers. We want wealth, but without hard work. We want Jannah, but we cling to dunya. The Sahaba had one target, Jannah. We want Jannah and entertainment and comfort and sin. Real men choose. Boys want all of it. Listen carefully. Your muscles don't impress Allah. Your discipline does. You can lift 120 kilograms at the gym, but can't lift a blanket for Fajr? You're strong in front of people, but weak in front of your Lord? That isn't manhood. That's immaturity in a grown man's body. Real men wake up for prayer, protect their families, keep their promises, work hard for halal, lead with mercy, fear Allah in private. This is masculine power. Our biggest crisis isn't knowledge. Knowledge is everywhere. The ummah is dying because there are not enough men. When men disappear, women suffer, children cry, families break, corruption spreads, shaitan smiles. When real men rise, society heals. Ask yourself right now, do I take responsibility? Do I protect my deen? Do I fight my desires? Do I pray on time? Do I keep my word? If not, this is your awakening. Allah is still giving you a chance to rise, to lead, to change. A man is not defined by his past, but by what he chooses next. Your beard doesn't make you a man. Your salah does. Your car doesn't make you a man. Your character does. Your followers don't make you a man. Your obedience to Allah does. Real men rebuild this ummah. Real men walk the sunnah. Real men defend their families. Real men answer Allah's call. So tell me, my brother, are you a male or are you a man? Comment below. I want to be a real man for Allah. Then reply to someone else's comment and make dua for them. Because real men uplift their brothers, not compete with them. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.